Hi guys! Have your orchids stopped blooming? Mine did too. Until I tried this simple trick, and what happened next absolutely shocked me. Today, I will show you how to make natural fertilizer that is both simple and effective. This fertilizer will help your orchids grow abundantly and bloom for a longer time. So let's get started. As you can see, this orchid has finished blooming, and if not properly cared for, the plant can become stunned and grow slowly. So, post flowering care is very important to help the plant recover and prepare for the next blooming cycle. First, remove all damaged, rattling, or dried roots. This will help stimulate the plant to grow new roots and prepare it for the next growth cycle. Also, cut off all unhealthy leaves and old flower stems so the plant can focus its energy on growing new roots and leaves. Then sprinkle a layer of cinnamon powder onto the cut areas to disinfect and prevent infection. Next, leave it overnight without watering to allow the cuts to heal completely. Here's how to prepare the solution. Take one spoonful of cinnamon powder and add it to a jar with 1 liter of boiling water. Then mix to create a natural fertilizer solution. Cover the lid and let it sit overnight to ensure the nutrients from the cinnamon powder are fully dissolved in the water. For the second ingredient, I use breadcrumbs, which are rich in nutrients and great for the growth of orchids. Mix 2 teaspoons of breadcrumbs with 1 liter of warm water to create a natural nutrient solution. Let it sit overnight to ensure the nutrients from the breadcrumbs are fully dissolved in the water. After one night, strain out the residue to obtain clean and clear cinnamon water and breadcrumb solution. Here's how to apply the solution to our plants. Step 1. Use a soft cotton pad soaked in the cinnamon water and gently wipe the top and bottom surfaces of the leaves. This method helps eliminate fungi, pests, and harmful insects from the plant. It also cleans the leaves, allowing them to photosynthesize more effectively and will improve the plant's overall growth. Step 2. Pour this cinnamon water solution in a spray bottle. Then spray this solution over entire plant to remove dust, molds, and any pests clinging to the plant. This method stimulates plants' natural resistance, helping it grow stronger and better withstand diseases. Step 3. Use a soft cloth to wipe off any excess water from the leaves to prevent molds and bacterial growth. Wiping off water helps the leaves dry quickly, improving the plant's ability to photosynthesize, as well as it reduces the risk of the orchid getting sick due to prolonged damp conditions. Step 4. Add a thin layer of moss on the surface of the orchid pot to retain moisture and create a better growing environment for the plant. This moss layer also helps maintain moisture balance and prevents the plant from losing water too quickly in dry condition. Next, I mix the two ingredients, cinnamon water solution with the breadcrumbs water solution together. After mixing, we will have a natural nutrient solution that is excellent for the growth of orchids. Step 5. Keep on watering this mixture on your orchids once every 10 days to stimulate the growth of new roots and allowing the plants to absorb the nutrients more effectively. Also, to encourage the growth of new shoots and flowers, allowing the orchids to bloom for a longer period. After watering, soak the orchid pot in this mixture for about 20 minutes to get the best results. You can use the leftover mixture to water other orchids as well. Then take the orchid spot out and place it in a spot with gentle sunlight to allow the plants to photosynthesize well, improving nutrients exchange. Although this fertilizer is very beneficial, but without sufficient sunlight, the plant won't be able to synthesize nutrients effectively. This solution is very beneficial, but you should only water the plant every 10 to 15 days to avoid overfeeding. On regular days, if the potting medium is dry or the environment is too dry, simply water or mist lightly to maintain humidity for the orchids. The results after 10 days, can you see? The new leaves have grown longer than before, which shows that the plant is growing very well. New roots have also grown quite a lot, which will help the orchid recover and grow vigorously in the coming time. And as you can see, the leaves have become stronger and greener, which is a sign that the orchid is growing healthy. After the next 45 days, you can see that the new leaves have grown longer and are healthy, and two new flower stalks have emerged, promising another vibrant blooming season ahead. The leaves have become stronger and grown exceptionally well after being cared for with this natural fertilizer mixture. The roots have grown out of the orchid pot, which is a sign that the orchid is growing very vigorously. With other orchids, they also develop many new flower stalks and healthy new roots. Guys, try it on your orchids and let me know what happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more orchid tips. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. God bless.